It's already 3 a.m. and karon pagabihan ang terminal. Ganyan na lang sa kilid, saka na ngit-ngit sa karton, naghigta. Karon kay open na and finally lingkod na sa tarong malingkuranan. And an hour from now, the booth will be open. And 4:30 is the first trip going to Sibulan Port, Dumaguete. Here I go. Here I come. Alright. It's 4:55 and we just arrived at Sibulan Port. Next stop is Dumaguete Port, going to Siquijor. Still dark. No signs of the sun. Oh, nanaksan gamay pero di pa maklaro.
5:15 and I'm here at Dumaguete Port, going to Siquijor.
Gutom na ko sa pagkaon diri.
Welcome to Siquijor. Atong lungsod, atong panggaon. (8 a.m. and I'm here at Paliton Beach or the Little Boracay. The water is so calm. Ilum kaayo. Kami na tao dire actually. So putik ang sand and the water is so clear. As you can see, solid. So clear. Spring Park and init na kay it's already 9 a.m. and look at the spring at my back. Where's the spring? There's an environmental fee with 20 pesos for adults. Going upstairs to St. John the Baptist Chapel or Church. Yeah, church. Going down to Lugnason Falls, with zodiac signs ang pangalan. Sagittarius Falls, my zodiac sign. Sign. Ano ni? Dira mi mga gi guys. Canyoneering. We're here at the Balete Tree, famous Balete Tree in Siquijor, where fish pa and some oceans. Ay, kagilok. So, wapay pagkuman fish pa. Gilok kayo. Gabuffet ang mga isda. Gutom sila. Pero gamerag di count ako ang tiil. Kaya syempre limti man akong tiil. Pumot pag yun, di ba?
Tao tani.
Bilog ang mundo. View deck.
Saan kaya? Mining. Nagubaba lang ako palapad, selfie na lang. I'm here at St. Isidro, the Labrador Church. And it's the oldest church in Siquijor. Yet it's still beautiful and really holy. Nice. Nice church.
Hey guys, I'm currently here at Cambugahay Falls, going down.
Going down. 135 steps. Kaya.
Hey guys, I'm currently here at Cambugahay Falls. See at the back, it's not that high, but pool is big. Let's see if it's colder than Kawasan or same lang. Hey guys, man akong ligo pero may balik lang ko dire kay to get photos, and I haven't got one earlier because my phone is not waterproof and I don't have a GoPro. I can take pictures of while swimming, and very hot. It's currently 1:20 p.m. and I'm here at Kagusuan Beach Resort. As usual, it's very silent, peaceful, but the heat is so fiery.
Woo! Init. Sabot sa kaputihan niya eh.
Hey guys, currently here at Salagdoong Resort. It's 2:10 and Salagdoong is very known for its cliff jump. Just jumped the cliff in Salagdoong Beach, and it was a hell of a jump.
Sakit akong ipog. Takit. Pero it was nice, it was fun. It's like jumping in Kawasan Falls in Badran. Yes, and
Hey guys, in here at Guiwanon Spring Park. A lot of mangroves around and yeah. The bell tower. Hey guys, it's already 5:35 in the afternoon and it's near night, and we're done with our whole day tour at Siquijor Island. We had so much fun, many spots, many posts to write. And I'm currently staying here at Diamond Restaurant and Resort. Stay here for a night, and tomorrow morning we'll go to the port and go back to Dumaguete, and we'll have our tour there. And a few more hours from now, it's gonna be H++. Sibulan ako. Thanks guys. See ya.